Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bacon wrapped shrimp. It is a super easy recipe. These are the ingredients. So I have 1 pound of raw shrimp. I already deveined it, I rinsed it, and I dried it with a paper towel. Now we're going to work in our bacon. We have 8 strips of bacon here that I'm going to cut in half and then again in half like I'm showing you here to make this little strips, okay? Next, we're going to work in our cream cheese. I have about 4 ounces of cream cheese here that I'm just cutting into little pieces like I'm showing you here. And now we are ready to start wrapping our shrimp. First, I like to place a piece of cream cheese and then use the bacon to wrap our shrimp just like I'm showing you right here. So it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure the ends of the bacon are tucked in really well, just like this, okay? And you just keep doing this technique till you're done with the shrimp. Remember guys, you can always double up on this recipe, okay? Okay, initially I was gonna fry the shrimp on oil, but I was rushing and I thought to do it on the air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, just use this option, but it does take a little bit longer. The air fryer, you're gonna set it up at 350 Fahrenheit and for 5 minutes. We're gonna heat it up first, okay? After the 5 minutes are done, you can start placing the shrimp on the basket of the air fryer, just like I'm showing you here, okay? We close our air fryer and we set the time for 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, you get this beautiful golden shrimp. You get it out and you place it on a paper towel so it can absorb the extra oil that the bacon has, okay? And then we just start placing the rest of our shrimps that we have, and we do this till we're done. So easy and so fast, guys. I love the air fryer. Besides, it's a healthier way of cooking. We close our air fryer and again we set it up at 350 Fahrenheit for 13 minutes. Next, we're gonna work on this dressing. First, you put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Any sour cream is fine. I like the fat-free, but you can use light, regular, whatever. Then we're gonna add hot sauce. This is my favorite one, but you can add whatever hot sauce you have and as much or as less as you like, okay? You're gonna taste this. If you don't like spicy food, just put 2-3 drops. Taste it just to see how much or how less or how spicy or less spicy you want this. As you can see here, I am adding more hot sauce. We do like spicy food here at home. Okay, our 13 minutes are up. I am removing again the shrimp, placing it on a paper towel. And if you have more shrimp left, keep adding it. I am done. I'm going to show you what they look like, and then we're going to set the plate. This is what they look like. They are delicious. I am going to taste it because it's delicious. I like to add lime and then just dip it on the dressing. I also made some wild rice and just a green salad to go with this plate. If you would like, you can do French fries or white rice, whatever is your preference. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up, comment below. Enjoy. Bye.